Financial independence is everybody's dream. Fine. But what if you can't be spiritually independent of finance? What if you are tied to it? What if you're anxious about your bank balance? What if you really want a little bit more? What did we hear this evening? أَلْهَاكُمُ التَّكَاثُرُ حَتَّى زُرْتُمُ الْمَقَابِرِ. Rivalry in worldly increase has distracted you until you visit the graves. It's a visit, is not a permanent stay, remember. You won't be in there forever and ever. Rivalry in worldly increase wastes so much of our time, accounts for so many of our anxieties and our stress. My cousin has got a new car. Mine is 5 years old. It still takes you from A to B, but somehow it becomes a source of anxiety. This is all very foolish. Status anxiety. My brother-in-law probably earns more than me. He got promotion last year. He's a managing director and I'm only a manager, and this keeps us awake at night, and it's meaningless. Instead of being happy for them, we're sad for ourselves. This is what the nafs desires. The ruh wants to be happy for others. The nafs wants to be consoled in itself.